I had big dreams and aspirations of doing something that was very unique and different, and this combination of background and studies amounted to many adventures, and that's what I wanted. Initially, as a little kid, I dreamt of the people that went to space and the people that explored the bottom of the ocean, and I knew I wanted to go see things and places that look completely different than my native Costa Rica. And I achieved that through science. I thought that all the girls also looked up to astronauts and Jacques Cousteau the way that I did. And once I got to engineering, I realized I was only among 4 women in 300 men. Wow. So there I started understanding that there were some barriers that they had not overcome, or they had not undergone the interest that I had experienced. So I definitely feel now that I have seen the different barriers and systematic barriers that exist, that it is my duty to work and lend a hand in helping more of those women first get interested and then also pursue that interest. And then later on, once we are inside of an environment like the academic environment, we see things about biases and stereotypes that continue to put women lagging behind. For example, their publications are not as cited as men publications. They get less funding in research grants. So there are still all these other barriers that prevent them from successfully completing a career like a man would. Because here you get to interact with students from so many places, and you get to understand how climate change is viewed in other regions of the world, and also understand what they're doing about it. So getting a much larger perspective and not getting lost in the details of one particular country and what one particular country is doing or not doing, and understanding this as a large-scale problem that we as a humanity get to address. So finding those common goals and those similarities between people that we think of as different are probably another one of the big sources of hope for me.